area in front, it looks like it's all green, but it's actually the lake. It's not actually grass.
This is a lake?
Yeah. I'm just messing with you, I have no idea.
Oh. This is really cool. The water is so still.
Look at all the little algae things.
Right, there's a koala around here. Oh, he's right there. Yeah. Wow, he's really tall. Okay, where are we?
Coombabha.
Coombabha.
It's called Coombabha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, Coombabha Lake Conservation something. We just put a random place in the Gold Coast.
Yeah,
to go
Gold
to.
Coast.
That is not a beach. That is also not a hiking trail, which I now regret because it's so hot. But
Yeah.
the weather is getting better.
Actually, yeah, it's getting better because of
Yeah.
the clouds. Nice.
Yeah.
And oh, there's kangaroos there. There too, behind the thing. I don't want to approach much because I want to leave him alone. But yeah, they're like copy paste of one another. And there's a lot of droppings everywhere from these kangaroos.
But it's dry, so it's okay.
Yeah.
So cute.
That one is clearly hugging the tree.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can see his face. I'm sure I'm stepping on like a bunch of poop. He's right there. It's too bright to see him. Also cute. He's like right against the light. It's really quiet today. Is that a magpie? No.
Maybe not.
It's really small.
It's the other one, the one that likes to swoop at you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch of them here.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah, don't go too close. You're gonna start sleeping.
More kangaroos sighted.
You could probably get more on the other angle.
Yes. Ooh, am I getting too close? There are ducks as well here. This one is alert.
That's a little scary. I just think that they're gonna swoop at us, I swear. Oh, freaking swoop.
Well, at least I'll catch it on camera if they swoop at us. If any comes from behind. Oh, there's like... What is this? Management trail.
Yeah, apparently that's what management is. Cute. Very cute. There's another one there.
Where? Oh yeah, in the field. Yeah.
There's two of them there. Very cute.
I don't think I can see it. Oh, a little bit. They're just chilling.
Yeah. Just up there. See? Like turn around. You probably have to come to where I'm standing.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
So cute. Really just hugging the tree.
Yeah, that one.
So cute.
It's really dark. I cannot see it on the camera that well. And there's a kangaroo. He's just like, bro, what do you want? I'm just invading your house. There's another one chilling by the tree. You see more?
No. I see 1, 2, 3. There's probably more, right? There's just...
It's funny, wherever there's kangaroo, usually there's a koala around.
Maybe they know it's safe.
Yeah.
There might be water there, but it's probably a swampy area. I'm trying to pick the sister out.
It's just so big. I cannot focus on the spider. It's really big. This is what the polarizing glasses see. Not that much of a difference, like a sepia tone. What's up?
Acorn. You can get a bunch of them and then you can decorate them or use them for decorations.
There's another one there. It's too far away. There are two right there. Too far away as well. They stay a long time in the same spot, collecting those grasses. This is a nice spot here. It's really shady. Not in the sense of dodgy, but in the sense of it casts a lot of shadows. Wow, they're right here. So cool. So yesterday was raining a little bit, actually a lot. It has been raining a lot for the last 2 days, and now it's really sunny. And now it turned all of this into kind of a swamp area. All of this is water and mud. So it's actually quite pretty.
Yeah, so I think we are walking pretty much this area, the Koala Trail we've been walking. So then if we take this trail, we can hit
Where's
what
the car?
looks like a river.
Where did we put the car?
Airstrip here.
There are kangaroos right next to the road, and I'm gonna try to film them. They're right here. I hope they don't get scared. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah. She has a baby.
Hello, Joey. Oh my goodness, that's adorable.
Maybe this is the father, or maybe a sibling. They're really cute. It's okay, it's okay. These are really friendly. Wow, the insects are really loud.
He's really sticking out the nose. Hello, Joey. He's so funny. Oh, he's hiding again.
Hey, buddy. This is the closest sighting we got.
It's like touching a proper kangaroo sanctuary. There's nothing in his eye. I know you have nothing.
Alright, let's leave them alone.
Yeah, let's not disturb them.
Bye-bye. Grumpy.
Yes, I am grumpy. That's very hot. We need to have better weather here.
Going back.